Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. Okay, I know you like that song and we could keep going because it's so catchy. Okay, boys and girls, now for activity number 4, it says for activity number 4 you will do story problems. Okay, so do you remember in class when we used to work with our word problems and use a strategy called RDW? Do you remember what that stands for? Okay, well, let me remind you. Okay, so the read, draw, and write. Okay, so first you're going to read the problem 2 times. Okay, then you're going to draw a picture to help you. Then you're going to write your answer with a label. Okay, boys and girls. So I have my word problem right here. Okay, my word problem reads, okay, like this. Okay. Ben has had 8 chocolate cookies. His mom gave him 5 more sugar cookies. How many cookies does he have in all? Okay, now remember, you are reading the problem 2 times, correct? Okay, now remember also one of the things we used to do in the mornings when we were solving for our word problems is we used to underline important information because that's going to help us determine whether we should add or subtract. Okay, now boys and girls, Ben had 8 chocolate cookies. Okay, Ben had 8 chocolate cookies. Okay, so I am going to underline important information because he had 8 cookies, 8 chocolate cookies, sorry, 8 chocolate cookies. His mom gave him 5 more, 5 more sugar cookies. Okay, so now I'm going to ask myself, am I going to add or subtract? Which one's the word that tells me what what am I going to do with my problem? Okay? Correct. Ben's mom gave him 5 more. So that means I am going to add. Correct. I am going to add for this word problem because Ben's mom gave him 5 more cookies. So now in the back, I drew a picture that we used to draw in class. It kind of looks like a little house. Okay? So now I am going to go ahead, since I already read, now I'm going to draw a picture to help me. Now we first said that Ben had 8 cookies. So on this part, because this is my part whole, I'm going to draw my 8 chocolate cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to write the number. Okay? Now, now I want you to ask yourself, how many sugar cookies did Ben's mom gave him? Think it, say it. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to label it 5. Okay, now what is my total? I can go ahead and count on because I know I have 8. Then I added 5, so I'm going to do 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So Ben has how many cookies in all, boys and girls? 13. 13 cookies in all. So now, what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'm going to write my answer, and I labeled it. So let me go ahead and label it. So these were chocolate cookies, and these were sugar cookies. And this is my total. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and write my number sentence. So this is going to read 8 plus 5 sugar cookies gives me 13. And I counted all of them to verify that I have the right answer. 13. Okay? All right, boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls. So now what you are going to do for this number 4 activity, you are going to do a word problem on your own, come up with your own story, and you're going to work with 9 plus 4, okay, using the RDW strategies, okay, the read, draw, and write. Okay, so now boys and girls, remember that there will be tons of fun activities on Google Classroom. There's a full schedule there. Go ahead and take a picture of it and have it on your phone so it's available for you. Remember that I miss you and I love you, and I cannot wait to see you in 2nd grade next year in the hallways. And I hope you guys have a wonderful summer. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.